Hi, I'm Niels for ThinkIQ. In this video, we will introduce ThinkIQ physical modeling. Other videos will dive into the details of each section of the model editor. Please look for links on ThinkIQ's documentation site. We are going to use the Acme demo for this video. You can use your ThinkIQ instance if you want to follow along. Look for Model in the menu system. Your menu might look slightly different from the Acme menu, but you will have Model. Click on Physical Model. This will open up the Physical Model Editor. On the top of the Physical Model Editor, you will see 10 tabs. Each of these tabs opens a form that allows you to edit a different part of the model. In this video, we will provide an overview of the tabs. In subsequent videos, you will see the details of each tab. The model editor is built to provide effective modeling. You will see that the table-like approach makes it easy to find, filter, and edit any part of the model. The first tab is Places. This is where you configure the overall hierarchy of the model. The second tab is Equipment Types. Here you can configure reusable types that can be used to create equipment instances. The equipment type is similar to a class or template in other systems. The third tab is Equipment. Equipment are physical instances of equipment you can see in your production system, as well as logical representations of capabilities. Equipment can be derived from types or created from scratch. Equipment with attributes is quite a unique feature in ThinkIQ. In this tab, we are combining the simplicity of a flat attribute or property list with the benefits of an object-oriented system. This allows you to edit similar attributes without having to open up each equipment. Relationship types allows you to create new words that describe relationships. These are often called predicates. Relationships and relationship types are built on the concepts of mathematical graphs, semantic web, and triples. Attribute types provide a reusable vocabulary for attributes. We often see that corporations try to build corporate naming standards for attributes, but struggle to create consistency. Attribute types are inspired by the same concepts that you see in schema.org, where an attribute's name and structure give the data meaning. Tags are external time series data variables that are streamed into the system. We have deliberately created a system that allows the external data to have different name and structure than the internal data, so that it is easy to map data together while maintaining independence in the external and internal systems. The next two tabs relate to the measurement system within ThinkIQ. We will start with quantity kinds. This may be an abstract concept for many people, but it is easily explained using physical quantities. A physical quantity is a property of a material or system that can be quantified by measurement. A physical quantity can be expressed as a combination of a magnitude and a unit. For example, the physical quantity mass can be quantified as n kilograms, where n is the magnitude and kilogram is the unit. Similarly, the physical quantity of length can be measured in meters or inches. Measurement units is a more commonly understood concept. ThinkIQ allows for conversion of measurement units of the same quantity kind. For instance, you can add 3 meters and 5 inches and get 3.127 meters. Finally, we have libraries. Libraries are collections of types and measurement system information. Libraries can be imported and exported. That is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.